I'm speaking clearly and directly about the facts. I want people to understand something important. Until now, I couldn't speak freely. As a sitting judge, I was bound by the judicial canons. So in plain terms, the rules that strictly limit what judges can say with certain exceptions. Silence was not avoidance. It was compliance with the law that I swore to uphold. And for the past several years, headlines have labeled me as the judge with pending sanctions. And most recently, a new label has been used, sanctioned judge. That label is not accurate, and correcting it matters because truth is the foundation of justice. What the public deserves to know is this: the Commission on Judicial Conduct never heard testimony from any witnesses in this matter at any point. After nearly 5 years, the Commission issued its ruling in June 2025. In July 2025, I timely filed my notice of appeal. And in filing that appeal, I was granted a trial de novo, meaning that the case starts over and the sanctions are not in effect. The prior ruling carries no weight, and the Special Court of Review treats the matter as if it's been tried for the first time. Because for the first time in those 5 years, my accusers will finally be required to take the stand. The right to confront your accusers is a fundamental constitutional protection, and until now, that right has not been afforded to me. For those familiar with the system, plainly put, it's like being accused of something, standing firm on your innocence, and then being found responsible without a trial or without anyone ever having to testify. But this isn't just about me, it's about all of us. Every person in America is entitled to the full protection of their constitutional rights, not only when it's convenient and not only when it's popular. Due process is not a technicality. The right to confront your accusers is not a loophole. These safeguards exist to prevent power from becoming misused and systems from being weaponized. And I'm standing up for myself the same way I would encourage anyone else to stand up for themselves, by insisting on fairness, transparency, and the full protection of the Constitution that's afforded to everyone in America. This moment calls for leadership that understands restraint as much as authority. As DA, I will not be bound by silence when transparency is required. And I will always make sure the constitutional protections are afforded to everyone in Dallas County. I will protect the rights of the victims, I will protect the rights of those accused, and I will never allow the justice system to be used as a weapon against anyone. Because this work is not about conviction counts, it's about justice for all. That is how I have led, that's how I will continue to lead, and that is why I'm running for Dallas County DA, to build a justice system that people can see, trust, and believe in again.
Amber Givens for Dallas County District Attorney. Justice you can trust, integrity you can see, leadership that serves us all.